What's up, YouTube? I know I look horrible. I just got out of work. But today, I'm about to take the trimming off the Malibu, the window trimming, because it looks horrible. And it needs to be painted because I'm supposed to be going to a car show Sunday. It is Friday. I don't have to work tomorrow, so we're going to paint that today and probably let it sit till Sunday. Because I want to put clear coat on it, so I'm going to let it sit. So that's what we're about to do. So hopefully it turns out right. I'm also gonna show y'all the paint. I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all me painting it, but I'm gonna pop these off real quick because it's like 5 o'clock. It's like 5 o'clock. I ain't trying to rush. Trying to go ahead and get it done. A little sun out. So you know what I'm saying. But in this video, we should be painting the trim, and then I might put the car show in this video. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put the car show in this video. So let's just go to paint, and then I might watch the car because it's nasty, and then go to the car show. But if you ain't already, go and subscribe to the channel. Drop a like down below and drop a comment down below. Let's get into the video. Let y'all see the trim. As y'all can see, it's dried out now because I didn't put a coat on it the first time. But it's dried out. It was like a little chip right there. It looked like somebody scratched it right there. But I'm not worried about that. We're gonna pop these off so I can get it painted. And hopefully it looks gloss black. But I'm gonna pop these off. You already know I got a video of this already, so if y'all want to see that, just go back to one of my videos that I painted the trim on. So let me go and pop these off and I'll get back to y'all. Okay, YouTube, so I got all the window trimming off. I laid a few pieces over there. Got a piece in my hand. You got the paint on the bottom of it, but it's all right. So we got all of it off. Both sides on the ground. Mom dog's barking. Taco's not barking today because I fed him already. Look, I'm probably gonna cover the car up because he's probably gonna sit for a minute, but we're gonna go ahead and start get a table or something to paint these on, and then paint them. I got my paint in the car. Get work stuff in, but this time I got some motor paint. I ain't getting no plastic paint or whatever you want to call it, but motor paint. And then got some primer, filler, primer. And then got some motor gloss. So hopefully this works good. But that's the paint. Time to get the paint. It's hot out here. I'm trying to knock this out real quick. It was pretty easy to get this stuff off. I ain't took it off in a minute, but it's still easy. I just had my little pry tool. But let me set this stuff up and I get back to you. The trim laid out. I can see. Now we're about to spray with primer. Get a few coats of primer. Just little light coats. Nothing major. Back to y'all when I'm done. Got that primer laid. I'm trying to let it sit for a little bit, then we're gonna light it black. The trimming is back on. It's better than how it was. I still want to get somebody to paint it one day. Gloss black, but it's way better than what it looked. It's like a lot of pollen or whatever on the car and on the trimming. But as y'all can see, it is way better than what it looked like at first. Good enough for a car show purpose. So everybody won't be like, dang, it's fading. You know how people just pick out little small stuff. One less thing I gotta worry about. But it's another day. I'm hot. It's time for me to go home. I've been out here long enough. And I gotta wash the car tomorrow. So we'll skip to the next day. See y'all tomorrow. Alright, YouTube. So the car just got washed. Cleaned the inside out yesterday, so I didn't have to worry about that. And I didn't show y'all the trimming. But it look way better. Painted. But now we just about to wait till probably like, it started at 2. I might go out there like 3. And then my homeboy. I'm gonna go wash the truck, so. I already know I'm gonna update y'all when we head to the car show. YouTube, I made it out to the car show. Still making folks about to pull up, try to get away from the copyright music. Too much video for y'all, but I'm gonna try to get a video I can without copyright. Twin turbo don't. Street wheel.